Hey people, this is Sanjana from Trippy Wheels. So we've been waiting to do this project since almost a year. We would like to call it Trippy Cookbook. So we are trying to reach out to you and show you amazing recipes that you can do while you're camping. And the best part about this show is that we're going to be cooking in amazing spots. This portable stove is very handy. You just have a spray can cylinder here, and with a click of your regulator, the stove is on. And the flame is pretty strong, so even in a windy place like this by the beach, it still works. So today we're going to have eggs and bread on the menu, Moroccan style. It's called shakshuka. So Madhav ji helping me.
Hi.
Are you hungry, Madhav?
Yeah.
Very hungry. Some green chilies, garlic, onions, tomatoes. That's all you need for an amazing shakshuka. So I had an Israeli friend I met while I was traveling in Rishikesh. Then we came back home to my friend's place in Delhi and he made this dish for us. Has a special memory in my heart. Hope I can recreate something of what he did. So while the milk is boiling, we're going to prep for the main egg dish. Well, everybody is hungrily waiting to have breakfast at 11 o'clock in the morning. But special things take time. Please make sure that you don't throw random stuff around. Water is still fine. The pan is hot enough and we're going to add the most amazing ingredient of the dish, the butter. The more you add, the better it's going to be. So, woo! And there you go. We'll add the chilies and garlic first. Let them fry a little bit. The regular drill, nothing new. Oh, the garlic smells so good. So as soon as the garlic is a little burnt and you get that beautiful aroma of garlic and the chilies are burnt a little bit too or fried, you add the onions and saute them for like 3-4 minutes. So the onions are kind of getting brown. It's time to add our dear turmeric into it. Not much, just a sprinkle.
Smells good.
Thank you. Okay, the onions are almost done. Add a little bit of salt. Let it cook for a bit and we'll cut our tomatoes. So the best part about this dish is it's eaten in a very Middle Eastern way or in their culture. How they always share a dish together. You make the eggs in one dish, you place it in the center, sit around it and just dig in together. That's the most fun part of this dish. And we all fight for who gets the most. The tomatoes are going in, more tomatoes, a lot of tomatoes for this. It's a tomato-based sauce that we're making. So while that's cooking, I would like to show you this little masala box that we have in almost all of our caravans. So it has salt, turmeric powder, jeera powder, black pepper, garam masala and chili powder. All the basic ingredients that you would need to make a very healthy and delicious meal. So I'm adding in a little bit of chili powder, a little bit of jeera powder. A lot of jeera is used in Middle Eastern cuisine as well. And instead of chili powder, they use paprika, but it's okay, we don't have to be that fancy. And pepper. So adding some salt, because we all know Uppiginta ruchi bere illa tha. Dinat So we've cut these capsicum in pieces of rounds and we're going to just add it. And then we're going to break eggs into those circles, just so it looks a little pretty. When it's in this stage, when the tomatoes are almost cooked, capsicum is yet to cook, you just close the lid and wait for it to cook a little bit more. So, last touch, a bit of lemon. So in goes the eggs. Finally the dish is going to be ready. You don't move the eggs, you don't disturb the eggs until they cook completely. Let this cook with the steam for about 5 to 10 minutes until the eggs firm up a little bit. And the egg yolk shouldn't be completely cooked. Gooey center of the yolks need to come out when you dig into the pot. So let's cook it for another 5 minutes and we'll see how the eggs are. So the shakshuka, I looked it up, it's shakshuka, is ready now. You see this yolk here? It's almost done but not done. It's going to be so amazing. So we're just going to take this off the heat and place it aside.
The shakshuka is ready to dig in. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Happy tripping!